who gets another shot, which is like one of the layers of the film. I would not say that that is what the film is about. I saw this film 2 weeks before Kabir Singh released, because it was offered to me. And I cried buckets. I cried twice when I saw the film. And I came out and, I was seeing it with Meera, my wife, and at that time my manager. And both of them were girls. And they were looking at me like, they were also emotional and all, but they were looking at me like saying like, iska kya ho gaya? Iska meltdown kyun ho gaya? And they were like, it's okay, it's a great film, but what happened to you? I said, something very deep down is connected with me on this film, And then Kabir Singh happened, but this story just stayed very close to my heart, and I wanted to play this character. And I think it's very humble of Gautam to say what he's saying, but I think he's a very, very fine filmmaker. And the way he has touched my emotional, core when I saw this film, I'm fortunate that I'm getting to tell this story and play the character that I've played under his direction, because he understands this story better than anybody else. And he understands the heart of the story, and I'm drawing only from what he has conceived. And I'm very fortunate to be a part of this film. Yeah.
That gentleman who's standing in that blue t-shirt, he's a national award winning filmmaker, because that film won a national award. Gautam, those beautiful things that Shahid has said, do you want to now say something to him? Because this is the space, this is the moment, this is the stage, bro.
Yes. Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for coming for the Jersey trailer launch. Jersey movie is very special to me because I wrote this script some 6 years back, and I'm fortunate enough to direct this film twice. So this film is very close to me, very personal for me. And this opportunity, I would like to thank the producers, Arvind sir, Raju sir, Vamsi and Aman, for seeing through the tough times and waiting to release this film in theaters at the right time. And Shahid sir, if I had to pick one best moment of my career, I would pick that opportunity to work with you, sir. And I mean, this coming right from the heart. I'm actually working with you for the last 1.5 years. Not even a single day you were laid back, and you were always so sincere with your prep, with your work, your passion for the filmmaking. Everything inspires me. Thank you so much for being part of Jersey, sir. And thank you for playing Arjun and taking this film to a bigger number of audience. Thank you so much, sir.
Wow, wonderful. All right, please, baith jaiye. Please take a seat. Please take a seat. I'm sure that there are a lot of questions that people here in the audience have. So, salike se, aaram se. Should we get started?